This store has made over $17.360 per month by selling simple digital products that no one talks about. So, in today's video, I show you step by step how you can easily start a similar business with the help of ChatGPT and Canva. You'll learn everything you need to know, launch your first product, and start making sales. So, after doing some research, I found that there is a high demand for birthday card graphics. Also, I got help from ChatGPT to choose the topic, and my research with the information I got from ChatGPT helps me a lot. We need ChatGPT a lot during the development of these products. In sections such as store name, product title, product information, product idea, etc. We can use this robot and get the best results. We are going to sell our product on Etsy website. If you are not familiar with this website, we have explained it fully in the previous videos. If I want to briefly explain Etsy to you, Etsy is a website for selling digital products, and there are a lot of visitors on this website, and you can sell it by placing your products on this website. So I did more research and came across this store, and as you can see, the entire store specializes in selling congratulations graphics in all different niches and styles, and I can tell from the number of reviews that this store makes a lot of money. But I want more information. So I used a paid tool called Elera to learn more about the store, and the results were really impressive. This website is made up of different parts to analyze Etsy stores, but two parts of this store are very practical and useful. First part, Shop Analyzer. To access this section, you must click on the product research option from your dashboard and select the Shop Analyzer option. In this section, you can send the names of Etsy stores here and get the monthly, annual, and total income of the store. You can also analyze each product and see and analyze each product. Second part, best-selling Etsy shops. To access this section, you need to click on resources from your dashboard and then select best-selling Etsy shops. Now you can see the best Etsy sellers in all categories. The best-selling seller of this website is related to a jewelry store called Kathleen Minimalist, whose total revenue is nearly $68 million, an income that many famous personalities can hardly reach, and it's really a great income for an online store. In the left section, you can choose the category you want and see the best sellers in your topic and analyze them. In the trending shops section, you can also see the trending shops that recently had a lot of sales. This section can also be very suitable for finding ideas because they always have much better sales, trend ideas, and they only have this sell for a while. But there is no problem to start selling on this website. So, as you can see, here the store makes about $17.360 per month. And if we scroll down, we'll see all listings this store has. This one, for example, Boar Baby Shower Invitation Set. And if we look at the analytics, we can see that this listing alone makes about $863 per month and is generate over $7,847 in total revenue. And another listing makes about $264 per month and has generated $6,630 in total revenue. Now let's check out a different store I found that also specialized in prepared gifts. As you can see, the store makes about $3,370 per month and has made over $430.890 in total revenue so far. So it's clear now that there is high demand for these kinds of products, and I'm sure there is room to make sales and stand out. And don't forget that we have an advantage over our competitors because we can publish more listings in less time with the help of artificial intelligence, and the more listings you have, the quicker you'll likely make sales. Another free way I like to use to check if a product is doing good is by looking at the reviews. So if we take this one, we can see that it has a good amount of reviews and most of them have been published recently, which is good sign that the product is making money. Then you'll need to read the reviews and get more information about the product. So, you can find out what people like and don't like. You can also see what people are using this product for, because understanding this information will help you stand out from your competitors. As much as you can analyze different products in your subject and get information about it. The next step is to create our own product using Canva. We enter the Canva website. For example, my product is a birthday card. I write this sentence in the search box. As you can see, there are many different birthday cards and you can choose any one you like and customize it and get an output from it. You are pretty much done and ready to sell your product. The best way to deliver the finished product to the customer is to upload all designs to a Google Drive folder and copy the link. After that, head to Canva and create a simple PDF page with a button that leads the customers to the folder that you've created. That means anyone who buys the product will receive this PDF file, and when they click the button, they will be taken to the Google Drive folder to access the product. And the best way, in my option, to find customers and sell digital products is Etsy. I know many people will say it's too competitive and difficult to sell on Etsy, but believe me when I say that it's possible if you know how to stand out. This could be done by giving customers more value than your competitors, or even by making your listing look more appealing. And finally, thank you very much for being with us until this point in the video. If you can make a first class and a good product, you can definitely earn a good income from Etsy, and don't look for excuses also. Wait for the next videos, which are very surprising. Well, if you like the video, be sure to like it, and if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.